Kevin Hunter, Wendy Williams' ex, prevails in a $10 million case against the production firm of the daytime talk program. Mr. Hunter is pleased that the court dismissed the move to dismiss made by Wendy's producers and that he will eventually get his day in court. Mr. Hunter was instrumental in making the Wendy Williams show the success that it was before it went off the air. And the only reason he was terminated was because his marriage was ending with Wendy. Nothing at all based on the merits of his performance, the statement from the Legal Eagle stated. The civil court judge mentioned Kevin's letter of termination that was delivered to him by Ira Bernstein on behalf of Debmar Mercury in the new documents submitted on September 1. The judge noted that the termination letter made no reference to any performance-related reasons or any decisions related to the plaintiff's employment as an executive producer. The judge said that in their request for a dismissal, Debmar's lawyers failed in their argument that Kevin's case fell outside of marital discrimination in the New York State human rights law since it only applied to people who are married or unmarried. Debmar's legal team tried to argue that the law does not apply to discrimination based on being married to a particular person. Kevin filed his wrongful termination suit back in February 2022. In his complaint, he claimed that he was fired from his job as executive producer at the Wendy Williams show because his marriage to Wendy was ending. Kevin sued Debmar Mercury, which was founded in 2004 by Ira Bernstein and Mort Marcus. The company negotiated with both Wendy and Kevin 3 years later for a talk show and signed them on after a 6-week trial. The program became wildly popular and remains in a field all its own. In his complaint, Kevin's team said, was used to being behind the scenes of Williams' prior ventures and used his business knowledge and street smarts to negotiate a significant financial increase from the initial contract being offered to Williams. The Wendy Williams show dominated the 10 a.m. daily morning time slot, and to date, no network has been able to beat the show at this time slot. Wendy's ex argued that he was an instrumental part of the show's success during his time as executive producer from 2007 until 2019. Wendy watchers will recall that the star filed for divorce and Kevin was subsequently asked to leave the show, after it was revealed that he had been having an alleged affair with a woman named Sharina Hudson who gave birth to his love child. Wrongfully fired. The termination of was based strictly upon and his impending divorce to the show's host, ignoring all of the contributions that made to make the show a success. The complaint continued. Wendy's ex claimed he was behind iconic segments like Hot Topics and Wendy's Shoe Cam, and that he also created marketing plans, among other things. Kevin thinks that after he left, the show wasn't as popular, and he is suing for $7 million to $10 million in damages, following the host's absence for the majority of her final season due to a variety of health difficulties. The Wendy Williams show was formally canceled in June 2022.